Welcome to this tutorial on meiosis and genetic variation. In this video, we'll explore how meiosis creates gametes and introduces variation that is essential for evolution. Meiosis is the process that reduces the chromosome number by half, producing haploid gametes. This ensures that when fertilization occurs, the offspring has the correct diploid number of chromosomes. Meiosis occurs in two stages. In meiosis I, homologous chromosomes pair and separate. This reduces the chromosome number by half. During prophase I, homologous chromosomes exchange segments of DNA in a process called crossing over. This recombination creates new allele combinations. In metaphase I, homologous chromosomes pairs align randomly at the equator. This independent assortment leads to many possible chromosome combinations in gametes. In meiosis II, the sister chromatids separate much like mitosis. This results in four genetically unique haploid cells. Genetic variation arises from crossing over, independent assortment, and random fertilization. These mechanisms increase diversity in populations. Genetic variation is the raw material for natural selection. It allows populations to adapt to changing environments and drives evolution. Unlike mitosis, which produces identical diploid cells, meiosis produces genetically diverse haploid gametes. This difference is critical for sexual reproduction. In summary, meiosis not only reduces chromosome number for gamete formation, but also introduces variation through crossing over and independent assortment. This genetic diversity is essential for life as we know it. Subscribe for more tutorials and test prep videos at our YouTube channel, Dr. B's Tutorials.